Welcome to Java for Beginners, a guide to Java 8, 11, and 17. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the different versions of Java and providing tips for getting started with each one. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it has been around for over 2 decades. Over the years, it has gone through several major updates, each bringing new features and improvements to the language. In this video, we'll be focusing on 3 of the most recent versions of Java: 8, 11, and 17. Let's start with Java 8. Java 8 was released in 2014 and is still widely used today. It introduced several new features, including the addition of functional programming constructs like lambdas and streams. If you're just getting started with Java 8, one tip is to get comfortable with its new functional programming constructs. This will not only help you write more efficient and readable code, but also prepare you for the more recent versions of Java. Next up is Java 11, released in 2018. One of the biggest changes in Java 11 was the introduction of a new release model. Instead of having a major release every 3 years, Java 11 introduced a new release model where a new version is released every 6 months. If you're just getting started with Java 11, it's important to be aware of the new release model and keep up to date with the latest versions. This will ensure that you're always taking advantage of the latest features and improvements in the language. Java 17 is the latest release of the popular programming language and development platform, Java. This version offers thousands of updates to performance, stability, and security, as well as 14 new JEPs aimed at improving the Java language and platform to help developers be more productive. This release is a long-term support version and is the result of extensive collaboration between Oracle engineers and the Java developer community through the Open JDK community and the Java community process. Over the past 3 years since the previous JDK 11 LTS release, more than 70 JEPs have been implemented. If you're new to Java 17, one tip is to familiarize yourself with the new features and improvements it offers. This will help you write better, faster, and more secure code. And that concludes our video on Java for Beginners, a guide to Java 8, 11, and 17. We hope this video has provided you with some useful tips for getting started with the different versions of Java. Don't forget to follow us for more great content, and don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.